Artificial intelligence has become the part of our life. Due to its revolutionary behavior, artificial intelligence faced many debates regarding the potential impacts on individuals. People worry that it will take away the jobs, but people are not seeing types of jobs that artificial intelligence is creating. Today, we will discuss all types of jobs that artificial intelligence will create and replace in the future. First is manufacturing and industrial sector. AI can do repetitive and rule-based tasks easily. The implementation of artificial intelligence in manufacturing is increasing the production and reducing the cost. AI-based robot and machine can perform better than human, which is improving the production, reducing the cost, and minimizing the wastage at longer run. While AI is taking away these jobs, it is creating new jobs like maintenance engineer, AI trainers, and production managers, and so on. Next is customer service and support. The implementation of virtual assistant and AI-based chatbot is reducing the requirement of customer service representative. Daily based query can be answered by these tools easily. The implementation of artificial intelligence in customer service support is creating the opportunities for the designers and developers of these softwares and hardwares. However, customer service representative can focus on the detailed query of customers. Next is data analysis and management. Artificial intelligence can analyze and review the large amount of data easily. However, this is a very critical task for human. So artificial intelligence will replace the human workers. Those are reviewing and analyzing the data day and night to prepare the reports. However, industry would need the experts, those can review these reports and take decision. The synergy between the human workers and the AI will increase the efficiency, accuracy, and customer satisfaction. Next is transportation and logistics. Self-driving vehicle and AI-powered logistics have capability to automate the transportation and delivery tasks. This may take jobs of drivers and delivery boys, but it will create opportunities for fleet manager, AI trainers, and logistic transporters. Next is finance and banking. AI algorithm can analyze the financial data, detect patterns, and make prediction, which will reduce the requirement of financial advisor. But on the same time, it will create opportunities for the designers and developers. Those can create these softwares, train models that can serve this industry. Next is healthcare and medicines. AI algorithm can analyze patient symptoms, medical records, and clinical data, which will provide accurate diagnosis. It will reduce the diagnostical error and improve efficiency. The involvement of artificial intelligence in medical science help health workers to do better research and analysis, while this day-to-day task can be done by these tools. Next is legal service. AI can automate the legal research, reviews, and analysis, which reduce the requirement of analyzer, reviewers, and researcher. However, it creates opportunities for AI trainers and legal tech experts who can ensure the ethical implementation of AI in legal sector. Next is education and training. Artificial intelligence is playing very important role in education sector. AI tools can analyze the student requirements, their strength, their weakness, and provide them personalized course. AI tools are solving their critical problems and suggesting them what they should do in the future. So this may take away the jobs of online trainers and teachers, but it is creating the new jobs of course creators, education application designers, developers, and so on. In conclusion, AI is bringing the changes in the future of jobs. Rather than worrying job displacement, we should take it as a tool that can enhance the human capability and productivity. By using the power of AI, individual can contribute in the development and deployment of AI for the betterment of society. Those who embrace this change and adapt proactively will be well positioned for success. We wish you a prosperous future with AI. Subscribe our channel for more updates.